right here and then and then wave. Look. Are you gonna be in Mama's video?
Yeah.
You are?
A big box.
Okay, so we are going to open the box. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. I apologize. I don't know if these words are going to be, I don't know if the words are going to be flipped for you guys, but I'll tell you everything that's on the box. All right. Move out of the way.
Not ready.
Yep, you guys get a good shot of my big old belly. By the way, I am 37 weeks and 1 day today. I'm due April 1st. And if you haven't... Excited! If you don't know, I am due with my second little boy. And his name will be Matthew. I know. Okay, so we opened it.
Ooh, car seats. Ooh, car seats.
Car seat.
Ooh.
All right, this is how it came. It looks like we're ready for the airport. Okay. Everything is together. And honestly, you guys, this is the first time that we have ever bought an infant car seat. One was given to us with John. It was a hand-me-down. It was still, like the expiration date was still fine and everything. It came with a stroller. I think it was a baby trend combo. So this is the first time that we've ever bought an infant car seat. And it actually looks super, super nice.
Cool.
And if I didn't, cool. If I didn't mention it, this is the Urbini Sonti infant car seat. Nope, this isn't for you. You have your car seat. Move out of the way.
Mine.
There's a little preview. All right, so first looks, I really like it. The colors are very like clean and sleek. So before we get, before we get all into checking this thing out, let me read what Walmart says about it. Are you happy now? Oh my god. Okay. So, this is the Urbini Sonti infant car seat in black. Okay. It says the Urbini Sonti offers a simple, secure installation and lightweight design that makes getting in and out of the car a breeze. The extra grip belt lock-off removes unwanted slack, while the 4-position base adjusts to every vehicle, providing worry-free installation. Providing worry-free installation for new parents. Comfortable fabrics, 5-point harness, and removable preemie insert keep baby snug and secure. Plus, the Sonti fits the Urbini Swiftly and Reversi strollers and the Omni Plus and Emmy travel systems. I hope I'm pronouncing all that right. I read that and I did look up all of those names, and Walmart has all of them, and it's just this car seat can fit in those strollers. They're all compatible with those strollers. So really you can get any stroller you want if you have this car seat. Rear facing only for newborns 4 to 35 pounds, up to 32 inches. Lightweight design, energy absorbing foam surround, contoured body support, removable preemie insert, compatible with the Reversi Swiftly Omni Plus strollers, FVSS 213 tested. I'm not sure what that means. Stop. Side impact and crash tested, and the model number is at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to move a little closer so you guys can see what this really looks like.
Mommy.
Okay. So this is what it looks like up close. It is very, very nice. I feel, just by the looks and the feel of it, confident of putting a newborn in here. So it comes with the one in Spanish, one in English, and this is the car seat user guide. This is attached to the inside, and it is just to register it. It's just a card to register it. So this is what it looks like from the side. I really like it. Okay, this is where the seat belts go. These are the hooks underneath here. They're strapped in for the time being. Latch storage. Yep, right here. Okay, so let me show you guys. It says latch storage right here. And these are, if I can get it out, these are the hooks that you put on the car, obviously. But this is where you store it. So right here is the recline indicator, and blue is 4 to 20 pounds, green is 20 to 35 pounds, and you do not need to be in the red. This part right here comes up, I believe, or this part comes up. Okay, to extend the foot, turn the knob, or turn and pull up on the knob. Okay, and place foot into one of the 4 positions until it locks into place. And what they're talking about is this little knob right here. So we are going to turn and pull up. Okay, it is kind of hard to do. So I was thinking that this part came up, but this part right here comes up. So, if you guys can see, I'm going to turn and pull up. And you see it locking right here?
Locking there?
Yes, please move.
Move.
Okay. So just turn and go up. And that's as far as it goes. I did see one more. Yep, okay.
No.
Alright, so it says, to remove the carrier from the base, squeeze the red release handle at the back of the carrier, lift carrier away from base. Okay, so that would be this. Wow. This is super light. It is nice, you guys. Oh, by the way, if I didn't mention, this only cost like $69. So, all in all, I really am super happy with our choice. And I love this car seat. I'm glad we got it. It looks super easy to deal with once you play around with it, and once you like just discover everything. I did not raise up the canopy for you guys, I'm sorry. So this is the canopy. It kind of sticks a little bit, maybe just because it's new and I have to use it. I've bit more to get it just used, you know. But here it is. This is very nice. I love everything about this car seat. I really do. And I would suggest this for anyone who is either on a budget and doesn't want to spend a ton of money on an infant car seat, or just anyone really. I think this is a great choice. I do not regret getting this. No noggin. I don't regret getting it, and I'm pretty sure we're going to keep it. I can't wait to see Matthew in this. It's going to be super cute. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
You have to bend down so they can see you.
Bye.
Look,
Bye.
bend down so they can see your face.